Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás hoy? Hello, Zariah. Hello, Cyrus. Hello, Leilani. How are you today? How are you doing today? Are you happy today? Are you sad today? Are you feeling mad today? What are you feeling like today? Remember, those are all good feelings. It's okay to feel all those feelings. We just have to talk about it when we're feeling that way, right? Good job, boys and girls. All right, we are going to start with a game, okay? You're going to need to find a lot of space for this game, so make sure that you're in a spot where you can be safe. We've played this game before, okay? I'm going to let you find a space. Good job. All right, this is that game where I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Will you jump up from the floor? Okay, and today the sound I'm going to make that says jump is going to be a clap. So if I clap, you're going to jump up from the floor. If I don't clap, if I tap, or if I whistle, then you're not going to jump up. Okay? All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Will you jump up off the floor? 5, 6, 7, 8. It is really hard to wait. Listen now and you will know, should you stay or should you go? Did you jump? Good job. I heard that clap. All right, let's play again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Will you jump up from the floor? 5, 6, 7, 8. It is really hard to wait. Listen now and you will know, should you stay or should you go? You're right. I hope you stayed down. You can't jump when you hear that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Will you jump up from the floor? 5, 6, 7, 8. It is really hard to wait. Listen now and you will know, should you stay or should you go? Good job. That wasn't a very loud clap, was it? But I clapped. Good job. Did you jump? Good job, boys and girls. Remember, that's a fun game that you can play with a grown-up at your house, or you could be the one who makes the noise. Maybe for your little brother or your little sister, you could be the one who makes the noise and see if they can listen and know if they jump or if they stay down. Good job, boys and girls. All right, we're going to play another game today with sounds. Okay, so this is going to be a guessing game. So we're going to hide some things underneath our towel. So Megan is going to hide some things under our towel. And you know what? We're just going to hide one at a time right now. Okay. All right. We're going to hide something and we're going to see if you can guess what it is by us telling you a little bit about the sounds that we hear in the word. Okay. This is something that starts with the sound B. Can you think of what it could be? It starts with the sound B. Any guesses? I think you're making some good guesses. I'm going to show you a little peek of it. You think you know what it might be? It starts with B. And there's a little peek of it. Did you guess? was what was hiding under our towel. Book starts with B. Good job. All right, let's see if you can do the next one. Okay, Megan, hide something else under there. All right, this one, Megan, do you want to tell them what sound it starts with?
D.
D. This one starts with D. Some of you are guessing. All right, we're going to give you a little clue. What could it be? It starts with D. And there's our clue. What do you think it is? What is it? It's a dog. Dog starts with D. Good job. All right, let's hide something else. All right, Megan, what sound does this one start with? Any guesses? Some of you are good guessers. We're going to show you just a little peek of it. What might that be? It starts with S. See if you're right. What is it? It's a really long one, isn't it? It's a sock. Sock starts with S. Sock. Good job. All right, we've got one more for our game. Megan's going to hide it under there. Megan, what sound does that one start with? Good job. What starts with Fine, I'll edit it out.
Hey, enough.
Garbage. It starts with Can you think of something that starts with the sound? Some of you are guessing. Let's look for a little peek. Ooh, you might get it from the peek. I heard some of you got it. What is it? Pencil. That's right. Pencil starts with P. Pencil. Good job, boys and girls. Okay. We've got a science experiment to do today. All right, we have 1, 2, 3 cups. And we have 1, 2, 3 peppermint sticks. And we're going to do a science experiment with our cups and our peppermint sticks. What do you think is inside all of our cups? Can you tell me what is inside all of our cups? It does kind of look like water, and you're right. 2 of my cups have water in them. This one has water, but I wish you could feel it because it's hot. This cup is hot when I touch it. Hot. This cup has water in it too, but ooh, this one is cold. Do you see what's floating in this cup? Yeah, that's ice cubes, isn't it? And that makes it cold. So this one's hot and this one's cold. Then this one, if I smell it, ooh, that smells stinky. This is not water. This is vinegar. Have you ever smelled vinegar before? Shoo-wee, it's stinky. Okay, so we have hot water, vinegar, and cold water. And we're going to do a science experiment where we're going to put our peppermint sticks inside of the cups. And we're going to see which peppermint stick disappears first. Do you think that they're all going to disappear at the same time? Or do you think that one might disappear before the other ones? If you are a good scientist, then you are making a guess right now. And that guess is called a prediction. Can you say that really big word? Say it with me. Ready? Prediction. That is a really big word, isn't it? That means it's a science guess where you make your best guess and you think about all the things that your brain already knows and you make your best guess at what you think is going to happen. So do you think that the candy will melt the same in all of them? Or do you think the hot water might be first? Or will the vinegar melt the fastest? Or will the cold water melt the fastest? Megan and I are going to make our predictions in our head. Okay, and then I'm going to tell somebody what my prediction is so that they know what I'm thinking. Okay, but I'm not going to say it out loud right now because I don't want my prediction to be your prediction. I want you to make your own prediction, just like Megan made her own prediction in her head of what she thought was going to happen. But you could tell your grown-up at home what you think is going to happen. And then maybe they could write me a note or you could draw me a picture of what you think is going to happen because that's your homework today. It's for you to send me what your prediction is. Okay? All right, Megan, I want you to put 1 peppermint stick in each cup. Good job. Let's remember what's in each cup. We have 1 cup of cold water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of hot water. And we're going to see which one melts the fastest. Are any of them doing anything yet? Some of them are already starting to do stuff, aren't they? Let's zoom in and look. There's the hot water. There's the vinegar. And there's the cold water. And we're going to set a timer and we're going to come back and check on what's happening in our cups in 1 hour. Okay? Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
Second timer, 1 hour, starting now.
Okay, so in 1 hour, we're going to come back and we're going to see what is happening to our candy canes and see if your prediction is right. Okay? All right, boys and girls. So while we wait for our candy to be all done, we're going to take a break and then I'll come back and show you what happened to the candy in 1 hour. Do something fun and make sure you draw me a picture of what you think is going to happen or you tell your grown-ups so that they can type on Teams what you think is going to happen. All right, see you in a little bit. Bye, boys and girls.